Mocktail with some mint leaves. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more fancy mocktail. The mocktail name is Kiwi Rose Garden. How to make Kiwi Rose Garden? First of all, take any type of fancy glass. Then you can add some ice cube first. Okay. After adding some ice cube, then you have to add some lime slices. Then you have to add some mint leaf. Okay. After that, you have to add 30 ml of Kiwi crush. Thirty ml of Kiwi crush. After that, you have to squeeze on fresh lime juice. Okay, this is very fancy and prepared mocktail. Then you can add some Sprite. Okay, then with the help of bar spoon, just mix all the ingredients. Okay, after that, you can add some more. Then take 20 ml of rose syrup and soda. Then slowly we have to pour the mix with the help of bar spoon. Okay, slowly just pour the mixture. See how the fancy color two layer came. Then simply you can garnish the mocktail with kiwi slice or lime slice, and simply you can garnish the mocktail with some mint leaves. See how the fancy color came. This is the kiwi rose garden mocktail. Please try this mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you, cheers for this mocktail.